So I want to come on here and let you know that last night when I took a shower, I used this smoothing shampoo and conditioner, and that's all I used. I took a after picture for this morning. I didn't brush my hair out, but I brushed it out this morning, and it looks like this. You see? So I haven't put anything else in my hair, but I noticed since I've been using the Monat products like shampoos and conditioners, I haven't had to put on the heat very high. This one goes up to 280, or it goes down to 280 temperature Fahrenheit, whatever, however to say it. But I just want to come on here and show you that you don't need a lot of heat to curl your hair. So for example, let me get this going here. So you can see that I curled the bottoms. No, it doesn't have to be hot. You don't want to hurt your hair after fixing it, you know, after you're trying to fix it. Or like not fix it, but here I am using a brush to brush out it. And you can see that I had color, you know, from before. And I love curling my hair because I love curly hair, but my hair type is straight hair. So now that I'm getting older and that I dyed it, it's also getting, how do you say it? Not curly, but thicker, more coarse a little bit. But you can tell like how straight my hair is because this is my natural from around here. You see the dye and the coloring that did to my hair compared to the top. And you don't even have to leave it in that long. Sorry, I have my daughter. But see how you just go like that? Layla, stop. She wants to be in my video, little girl. So I just want to come on and just show you that you don't need to keep it on for a long time. Just a real quick twist, you know. And then voila. You see that? You know, if you have any questions, let me know. I will show you the end part when I am done. Okay, so you can see that I curled my hair. There's a couple spots I want to get. So I will take the curler, like once again, like this. And I will twist this like this. And twist it over. Twist it like that. God is already multiplying your seed. That's the word of God. See? So I will do that. So we're just going and it will slowly let it come to light. That's what I wanted to get. So you see how I got this beautiful curl right here, but then I got to get on this side and fix this side. So let me see if I can do that. I'll take this, right? And of course I curl it this way. See that? And they always tell me so much for being unapologetic. I want to do it like that and slowly let it go. Perfect. Stubborn little hairs. But it's okay because they're beautiful. Listening to Destiny Online. Pastor Obed and Pastor Lisette. Okay, so now that I got the curls, let's step back. Let's see. I gotta see the back, but see. And then I've seen the Taffy, the sculpting Taffy. Excuse me. I will get a little bit, take my nail, scoop like that much. You see that? Maybe a little more. Like that. They say to put it in your hand and then to rub where it's transcendent. So like you don't even need that much. And then you Scrunch it up like that. Okay, I did one hand. Now I will do the other hand. Okay, now I'll do both hands. Okay.
Yeah. Hey. Where's your area?
I still have. Hi, I'm coming on again. I have to brag. Look at it's coming on later in the evening. I brushed my hair out this right now, and the curls are staying in. It feels really good. Put your fingers through. I got my fingernails. My nail ring's getting caught, but I can't tell you how amazing it is. Good morning. Okay, so I just want to let you know I'm hopping on from yesterday's video. And this is what my hair looks like today. I haven't brushed it, but you still have your little locks if you don't end up shampooing your hair the night before. Thank you.